Pip. I'm the bravest explorer in the whole forest.
Just a few more steps. Oof, these pies are hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Sometimes the loudest sounds are the ones that make us stop and look around. Bonnie realized she didn't need to wait to be asked. Her mom needed her right now.
I've got it, Mom! We're the laundry rescue team!
Oh my goodness, look at my strong little helpers. Thank you, Bonnie. You have no idea how much that helped me. Because noticing when someone needs help, without being asked, is the sweetest way to say,
I love you.